This is Spanish for Family and Community Vocab 146 through 150. All right, income is ingresos. Everybody say ingresos. Ingresos. How are we going to remember that? Well, income in English starts with an IN and has an O, and ingresos in Spanish starts with an IN and has an O. Also, everybody say gross. Gross. Usually when somebody talks about their income, they're talking about their gross income, the total amount of money their employer pays them. Their net income is what they actually take home after taxes and withholdings. So usually when someone's talking about their income, they're talking about their gross income, the total money that they get paid. Now, to feed is alimentar, okay? All the men on the ranch had to help feed the animals. Say that. All the men on the ranch had to help feed the animals. So all men, M-E-N-T-A-T-A. Alimentar, to feed is alimentar. Now assembly is asamblea. Everybody say asamblea. Asamblea. It looks like assembly. It has the same 5 letters. A-S-M-B-L, A-S-M-B-L. A-S-M-B-L, A-S. It sounds like the bingo song. All right. Now you might be wondering, why are there 2 S's in the English word assembly and only 1 S is in asamblea? Well, remember, there are only 4 commonly double letters in Spanish. What are they? C-E-L-R. Everybody say seller. Seller. The only 4 commonly double letters in Spanish are C-E-L-R. If that confuses you, check out my clip called Seller. Now, to become independent is independizarse. Independizarse. All right, notice it's reflexive. Anytime someone does something to or for themselves, it's reflexive. So if somebody bathes themselves, it's reflexive. It has a mate se on it. If somebody showers themselves, it's reflexive. So independizarse is to make oneself independent. A lot of the same letters. Just like what? 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of the same letters. Now, to regret or to be sorry is arrepentirse. Everybody say arrepentirse. Arrepentirse. A pirate gets to the pearly gates, and he's standing in front of St. Peter with his parrot and his hook leg and his hook hand and his peg leg, and he says, "Arr!" You know, because pirates are always saying, "Arr, arr! I'm sorry, I didn't repent of my evil ways, St. Peter." Or "Arr!" That pirate sound. "Arr! I regret that I didn't repent of my evil pirate ways." So arrepentirse is to regret or to be sorry. Pirate. Front of pirate name. That'd be pretty interesting. All right, time for our post quiz. Let me cover up the Spanish. Take a few moments, look at these English words and phrases, and try to give the Spanish equivalents. This has been Spanish for Family and Community Vocab 146 through 150.